One mathematical equation at a time, Professor Serena Dipierro is helping us better understand the world around us.
I really enjoy looking at concrete phenomena from which you can cook up a mathematical model.
That's included phenomena ranging from how bushfires move, to how animals, such as the albatross, forage for food, through to how we reshape metal, say from aluminium foil into a can. These questions can present a challenge.
The life of a mathematician is mostly going through a lot of frustration because most of the time things don't work. But that moment where you're pulling it through and something works is really a moment of intense joy.
Professor Dipierro uses partial differential equations to solve real-world problems. Partial differential equations are capable of representing a variety of complex phenomena by combining variables and their partial derivatives to describe the physical attributes and dynamic changes in a system. Take a bushfire model as an example. It might combine variables describing things such as initial temperature and the effect of the wind. In a recent project with researchers from the University of Wollongong, Professor Dipierro used equations like these to model how fires behave and spread under different conditions.
The solution of the equation, this will tell you something about the spreading of the bushfire, when it will stop, which shapes it will take, and things like that.
It's work that could help monitor and predict real-world bushfires. But Professor Dipierro is an advocate for maths even when it has no immediate applications.
Mathematics should be somehow left free to go and explore uncharted territories because you never know what's going to happen in 20 years, for instance.
Growing up in Italy, Professor Dipierro initially planned to follow her father's footsteps and become an engineer. But a high school teacher encouraged her to pursue maths after seeing she had a knack for the subject.
Many people have this impression that mathematicians are usually antisocial and that mathematics is a very lonely discipline, and so sometimes students are scared of it. But I want to say, especially to young people, mathematics is a very social activity. I've met many collaborators that are also really good friends for me.
In 2016, Professor Dipierro moved to Australia, and she is now a professor at the Mathematics and Statistics Department at the University of Western Australia. She says the mathematics community here has been nothing but warm and welcoming.
Moving to a different country is always tricky, it's always complicated. You don't feel you're home in the beginning, so that made me feel really home in a sense.
For her contributions to mathematics, Professor Dipierro has now been awarded the Christopher Heyde Medal from the Australian Academy of Science.